it's Tanya. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad to have you here. So let's hop into this interactive junk journal. Okay, this is the Alice in Wonderland. This is this page. Okay, it's what we worked on last. All right, now I want to put this down and let me see. Okay. So I'm going to be getting my art glitter glue. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day today. So I'm just going to put this right on here. Make sure I have my sides up correctly. And I need to pull this up so I can see it just a little bit. Okay. I think this is going to be so cute. I was leaving a border. Well, I didn't leave it on this one. Oh, well. True to Alice in Wonderland, I guess. All right, now I'm going to take this little Cheshire cat and put it right here because to me, he's really an integral part of this. And my chair is beyond squeaky. All right, I'm going to put him, try to line him up as best I can. I just wanted to give him some dimension. And I think that die cut really makes him pop, okay? Now, I don't think I have an Alice that's that tall on her own. I don't think so. Now what I want to do here is I cut some of this paper that I've been using for my book. It's cardstock. I got it off of Amazon. And I just thought of something that would be so cute. Maybe to put like, maybe use this to like a handle to help lift up. We'll see. I don't know. All right. So what I want to do on this page. Okay, I'm going to put this page down first, all right? And I cut this, and I need to put a magnet down. Trying to get better about my magnets. As many of you know, I haven't been doing these very long, and sometimes I forget. Okay, I'm just going to add a little bit of glue since I put that in the wrong spot a minute ago. And I'm going to stick that about right there. I think that'll be fine. Okay. All right. Then, it's really hard to mess this up. I mean, you can, but you really have to work at it. There's usually always a way to fix something, okay? And then I'm going to just let that one find its mate, okay? Now, I'm going to put this on the front. I think this is really cute. Now, I could, if I wanted, maybe cut some corners out. And I can't believe it, but I can't find my really good one that I ordered off of Amazon. So let's just look at this. We'll try it. It's really not deep and, well, it helps. It adds a little something to it. So we'll go ahead and do it. I really like the one I got off of Amazon the best, but I do kind of like that because it kind of lets that stick up. So that's what we'll do. There really isn't any wrong or right way to do this. You can do whatever you want. And this, I just use it to look at and because I like to make things. But really, this is to be this type of junk journal that's interactive. A lot of people use it and they put pictures in it and they kind of use it as a scrapbook. So you can do that, or you could actually journal in it if that's what you want to do. Totally up to you. Okay, and then I'm going to put this one in here to cover that up. But I just really like to make things. And I find this, like I've said so many times, so relaxing. But I love to see what you can take with just paper. and your imagination and make something that I think is really cute. So I'm going to put this one. I think these guys are so cute because they're always asking Alice, who are you? Who are you? And I just think that's cute. This really is not that noticeable, but it does add a little, like I said, something to it. So we'll put this on here. Maggie is in on the couch. I think that Tweedledee and Tweedledum are so cute. Okay, and then this we'll put right here. I guess I might as well round these corners. Like I said, I really like the other one. My craft room is in such a state. I really need to do an in-depth clean my craft room. It's horrible. All right. This is so fun. You can do, like I said, multiple times wherever you want. This would have been pretty on the front. Okay. This glue doesn't have any odor that I can smell at all to it, which I'm thankful for. And it's non-toxic. Oh, and I didn't do this one. Okay. Now we're going to take this and just glue this right on the back of this. And it'll be a flip out if you want to just put pictures, or you could journal in anything. You could put different papers in it. Like I said, I really like the idea of creating it. That's what I like. Put this right on the edge. Like that. Press down. And then you see we have this that opens up. I think that's so adorable. And I don't know if I'm going to put anything else. You could put something on here if you wanted to sort of stand up. Oh, I do want to put this because everybody's asking Alice, who are you? So I thought that would be really cute to put on here, especially with Tweedledee and Tweedledum in there. But everybody was like, who are you? Who are you? What's the weather like where you're at? See, I think that looks really cute now. It adds a lot of dimension to it. So I like that. So we have this over here and we have this here. Okay, now on this page, I just got a bunch of little things. I don't know for sure what I'm going to do. I just love this paper, like I said. But I thought this was really cute, this paper like this. So I don't think this itself needs a mag. So we'll go ahead and put this down. I'm loving that new table that I ordered from Amazon. Oh my gosh, what a difference it makes in the entryway. Beautiful. Now this one's going to have a little bit of that border around it. And like I said, I think it does look better when you can do that. This kind of reminds me of a chessboard, but in a different kind of way. Okay. So what we're going to do is, I've cut some pieces. I'm going to put this right here. I'm gonna put one there and one there. Okay, so I need some more magnets, and I got these off of Amazon. You get 2 bunches of them. They're already with the adhesive on the back, but if you mess up, you can just peel it right off and it's no big deal. And it seems to hold really nicely. Okay, so I'm gonna put, I'm gonna put this one right here. And I'm gonna put this one over here. I'm just going to let it find its little mate like that. That's the easiest way to do, like that, okay? All right, now we're just going to put this down. I thought this would be cute. I'm not going to round these corners. I saw some pumpkin pies out the other day, so I went ahead and picked up 2. One for Christmas and one for Thanksgiving. Okay, we'll put this one on this one. Okay, and put this one right here. Okay, now I need to have something to cover that, and I thought I do have something. I cut it. I have to find it. Just all right, look at that. That is so cute. I love it. All right. Now, what I'm thinking about doing here is putting some of these down like that. I think that would be cute. So I think I'm going to start off with her. She's such a mess. And it would be kind of like a little additional tuck spot if you wanted to do that. How many of you all have seen the movie is what I'd like to know. And I always do that. I glue where I don't want it. But if you wipe it off, you're okay. Okay? So, it's so cute. I saw the one with Johnny Depp. Okay, now I'm just gonna do it like this. I just knew I had to get those playing cards, and you can see the back, but you're not going to see it from this side. All right, so there's that. Oh, you will be able to see it. Excellent. Good. I'm glad. Okay, and I think I'll put these like this. And then you can see she's reversible, so you can see the Red Queen from both sides because she was in the collectibles and I cut her apart. I just want to kind of put these just kind of haphazard. Going to remember not to glue all over. But kind of overlap them a little bit. Now this one though, I'm going to have to lose some of that because it's not going to shut. But that's okay, because I think that looks really cute like that. I think that is adorable, okay? So then on here, I'm just going to do it like this, I think. It's awful thick, so I may not put that one on there. I think these playing cards are so pretty. And this is just a dry baby wipe, okay? Is that cute or what? Okay. And if I wanted, I could put that right there to kind of finish it off. Boy, that's kind of thick though. It's a good thing I've got thick room for my pages. Oh, was gonna have it hang over, but I changed my mind. Okay, so this is what we're getting. I think that is really cute. You can just do so much with this, okay? So I'm going to put this on here. So I'm going to go ahead and glue her down. And you could use tape if you wanted. I just don't want to. Put that right there. Press it down. Till that dries. I think this is so cute because then we're going to go like this and then like that. But yet you can see her over here. I think that is adorable. Okay. Then up here, I wanted to continue with the same kind of mode. So I want to take, I may just leave that like that. I think I'm just going to put this down without a magnet. And then if I decide to do something else, I can. You could put this at an angle if you wanted. I'm just going to put it on here like this. Okay, and then I'm just going to, this came in, I don't know if it was in the paper pads or the collectibles, and I just folded it in two, and I think it's adorable. So I'm going to put this on here, and then I think we'll be finished for today, and we'll take a look at what we've done, and then we'll be almost finished with this journal. Yeah, I don't think it really needs to have anything to hold it. I mean, you could, but I don't think it's necessary. I was gonna put this on the edge, but I changed my mind. Okay, so let's look at what we've done today. All right, we did this one right here with the Cheshire Cat, Who Are You? And then you open this up and that's what you see. And this Who Are You goes perfect because they're always asking her, like I said. And then that's there, so you could put pictures in there or you could journal. And then we did this one, put a small picture or journal. And then this opens up. And this is what you have. And I think that is adorable. She looks like she's sending everybody out after Alice. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Until next time, stay crafty.